Hey guys, welcome back. Our recipe today is very tasty immunity boosting chutney powder, and this one powder has many health benefits like increasing hair growth, reducing gray hairs, improving eyesight, and good digestion, maintaining blood glucose levels. Likewise, many are there if we continue to say. Before getting into the recipe, if you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon and stay tuned for more healthy recipes. To start with our recipe, take 5 cups of coriander seeds. These tiny seeds are magical for all intestinal issues like bloating, diarrhea, nausea, and also helps in lowering cholesterol, treats diabetes. Here you can see this cup I used for measuring this coriander seeds. Measure 5 cups of coriander seeds and keep aside. This coriander seeds also helps in improving hair and skin quality. With the same cup I measured 1 cup of skinned urad dal and 1 cup of split chana dal or split chickpea. Both this urad dal and split chickpea are excellent source of vegetarian protein. And here we have 1 cup of flax seeds. This flax seed contains high amounts of omega fat that helps to bring down your body fat and lower your cholesterol levels. Here we have half cup of cumin seeds. This cumin seeds promotes digestion and improve blood cholesterol levels. This is also a rich source of iron. Here I measured 50 grams of tamarind that is cleaned and de-seeded. So keep it aside. And here we have 2 garlics, and these garlics are very big in size, so I am taking only 1.5 of the garlic. And here we have curry leaves. So this curry leaf I bought it from Indian store, so I used 7 packs of this type. These curry leaves are a rich source of iron and folic acid. They have very important healthy benefits like improving in digestion, lowering cholesterol, and prevents graying of hair. So wash these curry leaves thoroughly and allow them to dry. Here I am drying them with the tissues like this. Finally, here I am taking 150 grams of red chilli. This red chilli you may adjust according to your spice levels. This because I am making for kids, I reduce the red chilli quantity. Now heat the pan and add 5 tablespoons of oil to this pan. Once the oil is heated, here I am transferring this coriander seeds. Fry the coriander seeds on a medium to low flame until they are golden brown in color. Keep stirring continuously so that they are not burnt from the bottom. Here you can see they are well fried. So now transfer to the plate, and now here I am transferring urad dal to the same pan and fry this urad dal also, and make sure to stir this continuously so that they are not burnt. Now once the urad dal is fried, transfer to a plate and add flax seeds and stir them continuously and fry them. Here you can see this flax seed is also well fried. Now transfer to a plate, and now here I am adding split chickpea or chana dal. Likewise, here it is also well fried. Now I am frying curry leaves. Transfer the curry leaves and stir them continuously until they are well fried. Here you can see these are well fried. Now transfer this curry leaves also, and now here I am adding 2 more spoons of oil and frying the red chilies. Saute these red chilies for about 2 to 3 minutes, and once they are fried, switch off the flame and allow them to cool. Now here we have all the ingredients that are well fried. Now so transfer them to one big plate and allow them to cool completely. So here I mixed everything. And now I am mixing this curry leaves also that is well fried and cool. Now here we have this red chilli. So mix everything once they are cooled. Here I have around 25 garlic pods that are peeled completely. Now take the blender and transfer this fried and cooled ingredients to the blender jar like this. To this, here I am adding this cumin seeds and peeled garlic pods also. After adding this cumin seed and peeled garlic pods, now transfer this tamarind that is cleaned and de-seeded tamarind. Now add salt according to taste and make this into fine powder. Here, as we can't grind all this together at a time, I am grinding this ingredients in batches with the minimum quantity of the ingredients at a time. So here first I'll grind this batch and then later continue the process until all the ingredients are well grinded to fine powder. Also make sure to grind this with intermittent stopping so that it will be easy to make it into a fine powder. Here you can see we got the first batch of fine powder. Now transfer this to a separate bowl and continue the process. All the ingredients are completely ground into fine powder. So here I am adding the next batch of the ingredients to the blender and make it into fine powder. With this our immunity boosting Karvepaku Karapodi is ready, and this goes very well with any Indian breakfast like idli, dosa or even with the hot rice and ghee. So friends, please try making this and do comment how you liked it. If you like my recipe, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon and stay tuned for more healthy recipes. This is Rupa signing off for today and see you in the next video. Thank you.